Thanks for joining me again. I have another unboxing today, and this is, looking at this information, this looks like the wrong information, so I think the seller put this in a different box, which is totally fine. But I have been looking online to see if anyone else has unboxed this bag or even talked about this bag, and I haven't seen anything, so I hope this will be a special one. I have been looking for this bag for a few years now, and I am so happy that I was able to find this. This is from the 2015, I believe, Spring Summer collection. And you'll see that it comes in a classic flap dust bag. I guess it does count as a classic flap because it is a double flap, but you'll see that it's not the sort of typical, quilted classic flap. And I'll show you why in just a second while I put this away. Let me just pull this bag out. This is the 2015 Chanel black and silver graffiti newspaper print lambskin medium classic double flap. That is a mouthful. This is a lambskin bag that is actually painted. So the outside is lambskin leather. The inside and the sides are black leather. The hardware is so black. And then the outside of the bag is actually painted, which is so special. And you'll see that it's, painted in this newspaper-like print. And it's just so pretty. You can see some camellias with the double CC. And then it has some sayings on there that were, sprinkled throughout the 2015 collection. Things like ladies first and feministe, my feminine. Totally may have butchered that pronunciation, but I believe that means feminist but feminine. I think that's just so awesome. It totally resonates. Just checking the interior. As you can see, it is lambskin with black lambskin inside. Oh, it's so pretty. And you can see that there's that Chanel plaque, which I believe indicates, that it's a special edition Chanel bag. And this came with the authenticity card, which is really great. It's a 21 series. I'm just quickly looking over, the bag. Oh, you can actually see that there is, like, quilts painted on. And that's pretty great. And the So Black hardware looks so beautiful. I don't see any chipping. I can't believe this bag is painted. It's so gorgeous. And it's hard to see on camera, but it's, it's a metallic silver, and then the paint is obviously in the black, and then the quilting is in like a almost light blue to white color. And you can see these sayings throughout, ladies first, we need tweed, or tweed we need. That's so cute. You can see the number 5 Chanel bottle. What else is on here? I'm seeing a lot of the sayings back here. It's so cool. And it actually, you can see, it looks like some, rips in the newspaper. Oh, that's just so cool. Make fashion, not war up here. This is just the coolest bag. And I've been searching for it for a long time. But so many of these are just like really highly priced on the resale market. And I got lucky with the seller who I think was just looking, to get rid of a bag that she wasn't using. So I'm so happy to have this. This looks like it's in pretty good condition. Not perfect, but, you can't always get perfect when you're looking for something really specific on the resale market, especially a special edition. So this leather inside is so nice. And my favorite thing about this are, those sayings all throughout the bag. It just really resonates. And I'm so, so happy to have this bag. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any thoughts, please let me know in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I tried to keep it short. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.